just my dream. Once you realize you know what lies beneath, know what lies beneath, know what lies beneath. Close your eyes and you realize you know what lies beneath.
Nothing can stop me, no nothing can stop me. My destiny telling me that God got me. Came from darkness, I made it with sharpness. Back when I said that I tried my hardest, I will not lose. I paid my dues. I fell several times. I tied my shoes.